A lot of parents have a query that their children are not interested into the field of geography. They don't want to study social studies. They are afraid of geography. What are the quick techniques you can do to help your ward have interest in the field of geography? The first important thing is geography is a subject which is very close to the nature. As the child explores the world around, the child develops interest in the subject. So the most important thing is whenever you take your ward out, take them to a play area, take them to a natural scenic beauty or a natural place, then make sure you develop the acquaintance to the place. Oh, look on the landforms, look on the mountains, how the terrains are there. Do you think, what do you think, how these would have been formed? Try to develop inquisitiveness in the child, and that's one of good ways to help them develop a basic interest in the subject. The second most important thing that you can do is try to acquaint the child with atlas. Make atlas one of their good friends, and the best way is whenever you are moving, whenever you are going to some place, make sure ask them to have a location about that. And the best idea is to refer the atlas, refer the globe, and they'll pinpoint, okay, we are on this location, we are going to this location. Or someone from your acquaintance visited you, from where they came, where they are going, what is unique about that place, and all that would help them develop an interest in the subject. Once the child has an interest in the subject, they'll automatically perform good with geography and social studies. We will be covering the similar lecture on history separately. Wish you very good luck, and if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to post those in the comment section. I'm always there to help you.